Hello everyone, so I've got a special box to share today. This is labeled the February box, but it is sort of the December replacement because of all the debacle with shipping, etc. So I'm really excited that it's here, and I have to say 2 thumbs up, I don't know how to do that, forget that, to Your Creative Studio and their customer service, and it's just been a much more pleasant experience than I've had with other companies. Look how beautiful that is. I love the butterfly, so this is exciting. Happiness is a butterfly which, when pursued, is always just beyond your grasp, but which, if you will sit down quietly, may alight upon you. Nathaniel Hawthorne. That's what's written here on the script there. So I just pulled the tissue paper out, and oh my goodness, I'm loving the butterflies. So this is exciting. And of course, why would I not love butterflies? Look at this. Okay, let me spread some of this out. There's this Dream butterfly package. I can't tell what else it is. Let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, it feels like acetate. That's what I'm looking for. That's the word. And get in close here, and hopefully that will focus. Spread these out a little bit. Yeah, they're acetate printed acetate butterflies, and there's a lot of them. These are going to be so fun to use and work with. There may be a moth in there or two, but yeah. No, they look mostly like butterflies. So I'm going to set those aside. And look at that, they're sticking to my paper. Okay, then we'll just move that. Now, what is this here? This is a cool bag. I'm thinking butter. What do you call it? Bookmark. That's what I was thinking. But yeah, I don't know. Is this a bookmark? It's not magnetic or anything. That's what I thought it was, but fly to you. This is interesting. And it says, fly to you, you are so special to me. I'm not even sure what this is. And like there's this notch here. What is this for? But that could be cool to use in a journal. But like, you know, why is there a notch there? Okay, this is just confusing me totally here. Let me get in close. And maybe I'm gonna have to see if anybody else got this same thing and if it is exactly the same or not. Alright, look at these sticky notes. And it's shaped like a butterfly. That's so awesome. Beautiful. And I believe it's just sticky at the top. Let me see if I can get one off. Yeah, this, can you see that? I don't know if you can. But the top half is sticky there. Not top half, the top like ½ inch. Yes, I love those. Oh, this is an exciting box. Okay, what next? I don't even know. Let's see. The cling stamp. Oh my butterflies. Set this aside. We have, oh, look how cute this little one is. Will this focus when, well, anyway, I'll go ahead and stamp them out in a bit and slip that in. And there's a second one. Is this the same? It's got the same picture. I don't know. Oh, it is different. Okay. Weird. But I don't know if these 2 smaller ones are the same. Okay, so the bigger ones are different. Alright, I have an update here that I didn't notice right away on this item. Here is actually a sticker. Yep. And so, I don't know, it just occurred to me when I was looking at it. They're adhesive acetate. Well, actually it's not as, it's on acetate, so it's adhesive and see-through, and I'm just going to put this one on my stamp sheet. So I guess if you wanted to use it as like an acetate embellishment, you just leave the backer on, because it wasn't super easy to get off. But it's also a sticker, which is pretty cool. You can see I bent it a little bit there, taking it off. And then the follow-up on the stamped butterfly images. So I've got the largest one here. He kind of looks like a moth with those circle, yeah, And then this one was the other large one, but my two smaller ones appear to be identical. So, but it's interesting because the packages, I think these are the same image, so they look like they're both this one. Whoops. But I did have this one, which is cool. What's in this package? Loft book collection series. It's got a nice little leathery looking tie here. Scoot that over. Academic chart, and oh, they are different. Okay, we have that one. Okay, I don't know if this is all of them, but look at that. Does anybody speak Russian? Or, you know, I can't, but it's cool looking. Charts. I don't speak like advanced math either, to tell you the truth. Oh man. So I have no idea, but these will be cool for collage and journaling, background stuff. Vintage labels. Shall we look at those? Mocha. Original label stickers. I love their boxes, like the Matchbox style. It looks like we get quite a variety in here. Look how cute the little one is. And is there just one or two of each? It looks like 3 maybe. And then that one, oh, there's a triangular one. And then this little, I like that there's a variety in this pack. And different sizes and colors. That's nice. Ooh, I love this circle one with the text. Can I, there we go. Little subtle script text in behind. Green, a diamond? No, yeah, it's kind of a diamond shape. This one we already saw. Smaller. And even smaller. What's that? Another triangle. Hexagon. This one has, let's see, focus. Can you see the subtle grid or squared pattern? There we go. It took a while to focus there. I like that little notching. Okay, so that's all of those. And, ooh, my favorite, one of my favorites is the stamps. Postage stamp stickers. And they always have this nice backer sheet here. Whoops. That is reusable in journals and such. Ooh, and of course there's lots of moths and insects and insects. That's a hard word to say. Dragonflies. Look how pretty that one is. It's a little, like a little mini piece of art. Oh, look at this one. Fairy with a postage mark and that beautiful blue coloring. This one reminds me more of these pages, looks more industrial, academic-like. Oh, I like that one there. Oh, are these wings? Oh, that's cool. Let me see if that'll focus. Check out the different wings on that one. Isn't that amazing? Ooh, and I love the coloring on this one. On the butterfly, that is. Okay, we can't just look at every single one, can we? But have a look at the backer card there. This, you know, is like a beautiful journaling card. You know, you put some, if you don't like this text here, you just put some paper over it. But even, you know, that's a real small portion of that. And we have, whoops, oh, look at those. These are transparent. That's the word I'm looking for. It took me a while to figure that out. These are amazing. I pretty much love everything in this box. Oh man. They did a good job. And are these papers? This says, yes, paper ephemera. Look at the beautiful card though. And this is thick. Whoop. And this paper is a pretty thick weight. I don't know. I'm not well versed in my poundage or grams, whatever, to tell you what that is, but it's a lot thicker than copy paper and a lot thicker than this paper. That's more slightly above copy paper maybe. This looks like, I don't know what size this is. Where's my ruler? Here, right here. I want to say you could just make a card with this. 4 by 5 1/4. So 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 is your A2 standard card, right? So put this on a card blank. Wow, look at that. And you've got some easy cards. And you can dress it up with some things if you want, like this one. Oh, I could just see like a little ribbon there, maybe a sentiment there. Put it on a nice card base and boom. So that's pretty exciting. These could also be really nice journaling cards in your journal, or hey, you want a cover for your journal? This could be a focal image. Lots of great ideas there. And like this one, you have a little more, you know, room to do some kind of card or focal point here. That's exciting. I see lots of possibilities with that. And then we have, it looks like some handmade paper in here. Or like mulberry paper, something. Which, it's kind of hard to see maybe, but it's got a different texture. Like, you know how handmade papers have. Almost cloth-like. But let's have a look at, and it's thin. Let's see how well it tears. Tears pretty easily here. You can get a nice organic look there. And I like that it's pretty neutral, but you got some cool leaves in there. Okay, I missed this item. And I think that's the last, oh no, there's, and this. 2 more items in the box. These look like they have a ton of stuff in them. Again, this is paper ephemera, like the larger card ones. And they as well are thicker. These are almost, yeah, they're even thicker than this one. Can you even see that? And they have a little bit of a sheen on them. Not quite chipboard weight, but that's definitely like the weight of a tag there. Ooh, look at that one. He's cool. Now I'm getting quiet because I'm really thinking about, oh, look at this one. It's all butterflies. Well, that makes up for some of the disappointments. Like, I was really excited about the Spellbinders kit for December that still hasn't even shipped. If you watch some of my other videos, you'll know that I love working with that. And there was a butterfly dye in that kit, and at this point I don't even know if it's coming. They say it's stuck on a ship somewhere in a port somewhere, but you know, this is what we live with nowadays. And with that one kit, Beach, the May one never came at all. That was so, I don't like to think, oh, it's coming, because it might not. I think these are stickers. Let's confirm. It feels like a sticker. Yes. It is a sticker, this backer, but this is completely opaque. So a little different. You know what it reminds me of? A little bit, what are those little books where you can get a sticker book? Now I can't remember what they're called, but yeah, it's got a little bit of a sheen. So these ones, yeah, it's a little harder to use, but ooh, nice picture quality there. Ooh, look at this one. That blue, beautiful. This one's beautiful too. I love this one. I feel like you want to see closer up. But because of that glare, it's not focusing. Yeah. Some subtle variety in color there. Another beautiful blue one. Okay, I could look at butterflies all day. Ooh, I love that color. I keep saying ooh. Yeah. Well, this is a fun box, and I'm super excited to make some cards, etc. with it. I hope you enjoyed seeing the contents today, and this was the February box that they worked hard to get shipped out earlier because of the problem with the ports, etc. So it kind of replaced the December box. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful creative day. Bye!